In this video, I'm going to share with you something that 80% of the Amazon seller are missing out, and that can actually give a boost to your product, store and sales. People will purchase from you a lot, and they will not only purchase one product from your store but more than one. Like if you are selling more than one product, like 5 or 10 products, and you are running PPC campaign to bring traffic to your store, so basically in reality you are paying Amazon to bring customer to your store. So for example, you pay Amazon $2 to bring one customer that will purchase a product from your store worth $20. So out of those $20, you have to subtract $2 as a marketing. So imagine if you are paying $2 to bring one customer and they will purchase more product from you, like maybe one product worth $20 and some other product worth $30, $40 or maybe $50. So after paying that $2 only to Amazon PPC for marketing, if you bring one customer and that customer will purchase more from you, so that will increase your average order value and your metrics like ACoS, ROI, revenue, profit and everything will be increased. So as from the title of this video, you already know that we are going to talk about brand story. So what brand story is, how to create that brand story for your brand, and how it will give you too much benefit and it will stand your listing out in the competition and push your competitor back. All of the information I'll explain you in this video step by step. So keep on watching. But before getting started, I'm having an exciting news for you because I'm giving you a chance to win a free consultation call with me. So to enroll in that lucky draw is super simple. All you have to do is comment on this video and join my Facebook group Ways to Sell Online. That's it. This is a 10-second process. So what are you waiting for? Go there, enroll yourself in that free lucky draw and get a chance to win some valuable stuff every week. And the details about the winners and the prizes you can find in the group. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have opened Amazon website. So first I'll show you what brand story is. Like I'll go on Amazon and search for any random product, and from the top seller of that random product, I'll show you like what brand story is, and that seller is on top because they have created a brand story. So if you are a brand registered seller, you're having a trademark, so creating a brand story for you is free of cost. All you have to do is you have to learn like how to create an attractive brand story in which you will explain everything about you, your brand and your products. Like if you're a small family business and you and your wife or your children started that business, so you can actually explain everything about you, your lifestyle, your brand, like what is the purpose behind your brand, why you started that brand, and what value you are going to provide to the people with the help of your brand, right? So all of this story of your brand, if you put into that section, including some of your photos and some of your product, so that will basically engage your customer and they will purchase more product from you. And after purchasing, and later on, they will remember your brand in their mind. So later on, if they want to purchase something from your category, so they will surely consider your product. So now if on Amazon, I search for any product like charcoal bags and search. So from here, if I search for any product, you can see that there are some top brands. They are having more reviews, more sales and making more money. So let's suppose if I click on this listing, who is basically selling more than 4,000 pieces per month. So now if I scroll down after the sponsored ad, I can see this listing on top. You can see that this is a bestseller having 14,000 reviews and almost selling more than 10,000 units per month. So if I open that listing, so you can see that the brand name is Virgili Store, and here's the listing, title, images, bullet point. And if I scroll further down, so you can see that here is a section called From the Brand. And then if I scroll further down, then I can see product description. So basically between product description and product images, this section occurs which says from the brand. And when you go on Amazon and search for any product and check out the top 10 listing, so you will find that maybe 2 or 3 out of those 10 has created the brand story. So that is a big thing that most of the sellers are missing out, and they don't know that this can actually help them to upsell their product. So here you can see that this brand Virgili has basically put their message into the brand story, and they are showcasing all of their product which they are offering. Like you can see that they are offering some product from sports like charcoal bag and some weighted jump rope and some elastic bands. So all of the product they are having, they are showcasing in their brand story and saying that buy any 3 and save 20%. And on the left side, you can see a message, want to save 20% now, swipe left, buy any 3 Virgili product with promo code this and you get 20% off. So this is very basic and simple form of brand story in which they are giving you offer, showcasing all of their product, and they are urging people that if they purchase more than one product, so they will give you discount. So this is a very simple brand story, and just like that, you can create much more attractive story than this, right? So now at this point, you know that what brand story is and why it is important. So now the next step is I'll show you how to create your brand story. So if you want to create a brand story for your brand, you have to go on Amazon Seller Central, and from the left side, you have to go on menu and then click on advertising, and then click on this A+ content manager. So this is a place where you create the A+ content. So for those of you guys who don't know what A+ content is, so when I go on the same listing again, and under that brand story, you see the product description. So basically, if there are images banner in the product description tab along with some wording, so that is called A+ content. So with the help of A+ content, you can explain the product description with the help of images, because the more information you give about your product to your buyer, the more chances for them to purchase will be there, right? So now go back on Amazon and click on A+ content. So you can see that this is the A+ content manager, and on the top right corner you can see that there is a button called start creating A+ content. So if I click on that button, so you can see two options here. Number one is basic enhanced product description. Number two is brand story, which says tell your brand story across all of the product in your brand. So the difference between A+ content and brand story is when you create a A+ content, so you have to attach that content to any one product. For example, you are selling a water bottle and a hairbrush, so the A+ content for the water bottle you have to design separately, and for the hairbrush you have to design separately, right? But the brand story, if you create one time, so that brand story will show across all of your product. Like whenever someone open your storefront and they open any of your product, so they will be able to see your brand story under your every product, right? So from this page, if you click on create a brand story, so it will give you this option, this page, from where you can actually create a brand story. So you can see that here you have to give a name to your brand story, like my brand story. And when you scroll down, you can see that this is a brand hero image with logo. And if you scroll down, you can see here is an option to add module. So now it's up to you if you want to keep your brand story for only one module, or you want to add multiple modules like 1, 2, 3, 5, or maybe more. So in this module, you can see that there are multiple options. You can put some text in the headline, you can put some text into body, and from this button you can add background image, and then you can add some module in which you can showcase your product in a casual form, right? So when you are creating a brand story for your brand, so you can take the help of ChatGPT to generate some attractive headline for your brand and description for your brand. And for the background image and other module, you can just go on Amazon, search for your competitor, and you can just open 4 to 5 listings on Amazon and just look at their brand story, like what type of image they are using, what type of product they are showcasing. So if you see 4 to 5 seller brand story, so you will have an idea like what kind of brand story you have to make, and out of those 5 brand story, which one is the most attractive. So after taking the ideas from your competitor or any other seller, you can put the background image, you can put the module, and after putting all of that stuff here, you can just go up and click on next apply ASIN. And after that, you can just put all of the ASIN of your product on which you want to show that brand story. And after putting the ASIN, you can just save this page and click on finish. And within 24 hours, Amazon approve your brand story, and that story will start showing on all of your products. So for the brand story, the ideas are limitless. You can just check out the brand stories for some other sellers, like what they are doing, what they are showcasing, and you can copy the same idea to your brand. And if you don't know the designing and you want to make your image more attractive, so you can take the help of Canva to design your banner, or you can take help of me and my team who can actually help you in designing the attractive brand story for your business, so you can increase your sales, increase your order average value, and increase your profit. So right after watching this video, go there, explore this Amazon feature, and implement that feature on your Amazon product listing, so you can stand out in the competition and make more money. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.